9 Noble Virtues. Courage. I will face my fears and defend my family and kindred from all dangers. Discipline. I will do what is necessary and right of my own accord, without threat or bribe. Fidelity. I will be true to my family, friends, kindred, and those whom I pledge my service. Honor. I will stand by my oaths and honor my ancestors by keeping my name pure among the kindred. Hospitality. I will share hearth, food, and drink with my friends, my kindred, and with the weary traveler at my door. Industriousness. I will take joy in labor and hold nothing back from the work I pledge to do. Perseverance. I will press on against all odds until my goal is met, my task is finished, and I have done all I said I will do. Self-reliance. I will learn skills and grow strong so that I may earn my way in the world and be no burden unto others. Truth. I will seek the truth, even though it may be harsh. I will speak true words, or stand in silence and defend the truth from those who do not honor it.